As an experienced driving instructor, I have spent countless hours teaching my learners how to manage themselves as drivers. One of the most important lessons that I try to instill in them is the need to maintain control of their vehicles at all times. Over the years, I have found that many of my students struggle with navigating roundabouts, often assuming that they are more difficult than they actually are. However, I have consistently stressed to them that the key to mastering these road features is to practice as much as possible, always keeping in mind the appropriate speed for the situation. But what exactly is an appropriate speed? Many of my learners initially believe that it is simply the legal speed limit. However, as any experienced driver knows, this is not always the case. While driving from point A to point B on a clear day, it may be perfectly acceptable to travel at 30 miles per hour. However, if you encounter hazardous conditions, a difficult terrain on the road from point B to point C, it may be much riskier to maintain that same speed. In these situations, it is important to slow down and drive at a speed that is safe for both yourself and others on the road. Of course, determining the appropriate speed is not always a simple matter of looking at a speed limit sign. As a seasoned driver, I understand that the appropriate speed can vary based on a number of factors, including a driver's experience level, physical and emotional state, and the conditions of the road. For example, if you are driving in the rain on a winding country road, you may need to slow down even more than the posted speed limit in order to maintain control of your vehicle. On the other hand, if you are driving on a bright, sunny day on a well maintained A road or motorway, you may be able to safely drive at a higher speed. Ultimately, the key to determining the appropriate speed is to take a holistic view of the situation and consider all the factors at play. As a driver, you must be mindful of your own physical and emotional state, the condition of your vehicle, the weather and road conditions, and the overall flow of traffic. By taking all these factors into account, you can make informed decisions about the appropriate speed to drive in any given situation. And by doing so, you can ensure that you are always driving safely, confidently, and in full control of your vehicle.